Good day, gentlemen from Cycle and Carriage. I'm David from Tevo. I'm a certified detailer from IDA. So today I want to give you a quick tour to our company. Let's go! Okay, this is our Tevo detailing workshop, and we are moving toward to the detailing academics directions. So we basically have all the facility ready, products and equipments. So we are ready to provide a better service for cycle and carriage detailers. Feel free to have a look. Next will be Tevo call centers. We basically provide all the technical support to our public. So we are ready to provide all the support and necessary technical issue from cycle and carriage. And this is our creative team. They're basically handling all the box, labels and social media material. And believe me, their photo and video editing skill is unbelievable. Next, let's move to our secret chamber. This is where magic happens. All the formulas was born here. So basically, we continuously doing R&D to create new product and at the same time improving our existing product to provide the best to our customers. Okay, this is our clean room facility production area. It is GMP certified. So let me take you look around. This is our first line. It is the labeling machine, filling machine, and also capping machine. Let's take a look. So we're doing the labeling here. And this is to filling. And we will do the capping here. So it will all the way go back to the packaging area, and then they will pack into the carton box. And then your product is ready. Let's go. Now I want to show you our bombastic blender. Let's go. This is our packaging team. So as you can see here, we are make sure the goods is nicely packed and safely delivered to our customer hand. So this is how they works. Okay guys, how was the experience for a tour in our Tevo HQ? So we hope we're having the opportunity to cooperate with Cycle and Carriage, and hope you guys visit us in the near future. Thank you.